I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by checking power sources and battery health on your controller. Replace batteries with fresh AA cells or install a charged Xbox battery pack. Ensure contacts are clean and dry before reinstalling cells. Next, test the controller wired using a USB-C cable connected to your console or PC. A wired connection verifies whether wireless radio or batteries cause the problem. If the controller works wired, the issue likely involves batteries or wireless pairing. Proceed to pairing and firmware steps to restore wireless functionality. Begin repairing by powering the console and pressing its sync button first. Then press and hold the controller's sync button until the Xbox button flashes. Move within 3 meters and remove wireless interference from phones or routers. Use the Xbox Accessories app to check and install controller firmware updates. Follow on-screen prompts to complete updates and wait until the process shows success. After updating, attempt reconnection and confirm stable LED and input response. If pairing fails repeatedly, try a different USB cable or port for troubleshooting. If basic steps fail, isolate whether the controller or console is faulty. Test the controller on another console or PC to confirm hardware issues. Clean ports and button crevices using compressed air and a 70% isopropyl swab. Check the USB-C port for bent pins and the headset jack for debris. Consider replacing the battery pack or using a new USB-C cable to rule out power faults. If internal fault persists, open the controller only if comfortable. Otherwise, seek authorized repair or replacement options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.